It's Fire Alarm Fun with Henry. We are going to make a system in my basement, and we're using those alarms. Just tape, still do have more in there, but I just don't want to use them. So yeah. This is a system sensor bell. It's a what does it say it? Number D770 hyphen 11-00. And model number of that is 4903 hyphen 9242. This is my Spector Alert Advance Strobe. This is my PG12 Silent Night one. Well, it was a regular PG12 before, but I just switched the covers around and that was adjustable. This is my Simplex T-bar, and what's the model of it is 2099-9754. Now, something happened when I tried to lock it. Let me just get my keys real quick. Here they are. There we go. Now we'll just lock it again. Put it back. Just right there. This is my Spector Alert Advance P2RL. This is my Spector Alert Classic ceiling mount PC24115. Those are the model numbers and alarms that we've got today. Oh, I forgot to put this thing on. I went to New York Fire and Security. I got this alarm added. And did you get any other ones?
Any of those? Want to show them this?
And I got this panel from New York Fire and Security. I took the things out so I couldn't use it because I know I'm a kid, but I could actually use it. Our friend is a Wish with Henry is sponsored by New York Fire and Security. So I got this one. I started a video this morning, and we didn't do all of them, but we did hook some up. I'll show you. So this one doesn't work at all because this one doesn't work that good. So, and that's a System Sensor Spector Alert Advance P2RL. PG12 Silent Night. It's the first time my mom and dad have on it because my papa did it. And we've got my 4903. Well, I said it in the starting of the video, but I don't remember the other one, but okay. So that's one.
You want me to hold the thing so you can... Oh, you're going to show me more?
And you can see it a little bit, but there's a System Sensor System Sensor SR Strobe only right there. Yep, right there. And we are going to pull it now. That strobe doesn't flash, and that strobe doesn't flash. That one makes noise. That one will start it'll do code 3 at the first, but then it'll get all messed up and just do this.
And what do you think why do you think that is, buddy?
I don't know.
It's probably power.
Yeah.
Can I take a video of you pulling?
But that's a strobe, so
Okay.
strobe only, so that is the only one that flashes.
All right, so
So take a video of me pulling it.
someday we could look into more batteries or something.
No, come right, stand right there. So we're going to pull it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one flashes now.
Yeah. Oh, it stopped. That one started flashing too. So yeah, the power is low, I just think.
Want to try it again? See if does it go right at first and then it stops?
Yeah.
I did see a flash out of that one
I
at
did
first,
too. Yeah. Good work.
Well, that one always does code 3 now, so that's good, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. What are you doing, Dad? What are you doing with that?
I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Did you try read? Oh my goodness. That's crazy. All right, maybe I won't get into that right now.
All right. You want to try it again?
It's probably not going to work, but we'll see. Wait, I'm going to wait for everyone to
You got your.
And I found out this is unlocked. This is what the inside of this is. But it's not a panel or anything. Do you think I could lock it somehow? Yeah, let me try to lock it somehow.
Good job, B. That's exciting. That's pretty cool. Is that what you're looking at? That's what you're
Yeah,
thinking about,
we're
huh?
going to try it 2 more times to see if it works. Dad will pull it and Mom will pull it. So.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, it started with a flash. You got one flash out of it.
Here it is.
Cool.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, just a minute.
All right. Fire Alarm Fun with Henry is sponsored by New York Fire and
Okay.
Security.
Do it, Mom.
All right.
I'm ready.
And 3, 2, 1. That's fun. Cool.
Oh, I did just get a flash out of that.
Uh-oh.
That one's getting messed up now for some reason.
Yeah.
All right, you want to say a goodbye message?
Goodbye.